Parker, can you say happy birthday? Can you say happy? Happy? Happy birthday? Can you say Mimi?
Me.
Can you say happy birthday, Mimi? Can you blow Mimi a kiss? Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss to Mimi. Parker, can you blow a kiss? Mwah. Can you say happy birthday, Mimi? Can you say Mimi? Say Mimi. Can you say love you, Mimi? Can you tell me what color your cup is? What color is your cup?
Yellow.
No, that's red. What color is the ball in your hand? That's black. What's the other color?
Black.
What color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow. Good job. Okay. Say bye-bye, Mimi. Bye-bye. Give her one last kiss. Blow her a kiss.